Got to get yourself a press. I had to go to Harbor Freight and buy this unit. So once you get the press out, you grab yourself a 22 and a 13 millimeter half-inch drive socket. Set the rocker arm inside. As such, set the 13 millimeter on top. Try to get it centered up. Once you get it lined up, you can press out the bearing. So now you have your rocker ready to go. You'll grab a new bearing, place it with the letters facing out, press it into place. You'll grab a new trunnion, slide it in place, grab another bearing. And the kit has 2 thick washers used to install these bearings. You just line it up, press. Washer, snap ring, and you grab some snap ring pliers. There's that. Let's do the other side. Get your washer, got your snap ring. And that's it. Just double check your snap ring and you're good to go. Now this is a known weak point in GM lifters. I have a stock lifter right here, and the center pivot point, well, that's 2 needle bearings, and if that comes apart, it sends those needles throughout the entire motor, and it could be a real bad day. So also, if you listen real close, there's a lot of slop in these lifters. This is what the upgrade looks like. So there's still needle bearings on either side, but they're retained by a large washer and a snap ring. So those needle bearings will never be able to work themselves out. Also, tolerances are a lot tighter, and that's good for horsepower.